How to generate income blogging. We all desire to understand how to make money online, and one of the finest methods I have actually discovered is by developing a blog site. In this video, I plan to tell you how to find out how to make money blogging by informing you how integrating the techniques I have actually gathered from throughout the web assist to make me hundreds of dollars every day. I will provide you a list of the top resources later on that I utilize and suggest to everyone who is severe about making a great deals of cash online. When they first get started into blogging, is the fact that their blog site must contain information that individuals want to read. One of the vital aspects people appear to miss out when they start a blog. Numerous bloggers are browsing closed-eyed in this regard, and if you check out 50 blogs, you will see that many will tell you they understand how to make money with blogs, when truly all they tell you is where they went on their trip or how many automobiles they have. Are you prepared to learn how to make money at blogging? If the response is yes, then listen on and start to earn money with your blog. I am not here to tell you how to write your blog site, that's up to you. However, what I am about to tell you is the things I utilize to generate income on the internet. You can choose to use these strategies or not. That's your prerogative. Finding a topic. Turn off your computer, get some paper and pen and sit down somewhere you can unwind. However, likewise, remain focused. If you are just starting out, this step can be discomforting due to the fact we all want to know how to make money online and we desire to understand how to make it now. Believe in the subject you are interested in and compose it down. This helps you because you will be more committed to trying instead of providing up to a day or two, and likewise make sure it is something other individuals are interested in too. Create your blog. Create your content, make it initial and make it helpful. This is one of the primary keys to discovering how to make money with blogs. You require to include the keywords you wrote down in step 1 in the material of your blog site. Go Google. Sign up for Google AdSense and insert the code into the margin of your blog site. Google AdSense will most likely not make you a millionaire, but it is an immediate way of producing a little quantity of money. If you want to track where your visitors are originating from with concern to direct hits or from online search engine results, then I would suggest you utilize Google Analytics. And once again, you can get all the help you require setting that up from within the program. You will likewise wish to include your URL to the Google index. Find something to sell. If you don't want to offer anything and are delighted with the earnings Google AdSense is bringing in, then you can avoid this step. If you want to optimize your income and truly learn how to make money with blogs, you will desire to find an affiliate program to join. Whatever program you sign up with will give you assistance inserting the code. You will need to place into a blog, but make sure you do this properly or you will not earn money from the visitors. If you do not know how to edit HTML, W3 Schools HTML tutorial is a great location to start. Social bookmarking. There is no much better marketing than word of mouth, but the next best thing is social bookmarketing. You will wish to make things easier for individuals to do this. Social bookmarketing websites I suggest and utilize are OnlyWire and Social Marketer, and they are used for individuals to share their bookmarks or websites that they have liked with other individuals in their online community. I would not recommend you include your own links to these services. However, supply visitors to your site the ability to do so. Write an article. Whether your blog has to do with a particular product, for instance, a Pacific MP3 player you like, we all desire to know how to make money online. And one of the best ways I have found is by developing blog sites. Now turn off your computer, grab a pen and some paper and sit somewhere you can unwind, but likewise stay concentrated. Develop your material, make it original and make it informative. If you desire to optimize your income and generally learn how to make money with blogs, you will want to find an affiliate program to sign up with. Having said that, Google, if you put into affiliate programs in the header, they will come up with thousands of programs for affiliates to join. Within those programs, if you do a search and see what kind of commissions they pay, what sort of advertising they have prepared for you to use, if they have banners, then check on the site itself, see if it's good. Google will also give you a lot of clues and predictions to the site if you put the site name into Google. Also, another stage, you can go to YouTube, put how to into YouTube, whatever you need. They come up with videos and suggestions of what to do, and people do write-ups about the different programs. I am sure somebody will do a write-up about the program you want to join. Do your due diligence. Go deep into it. Don't pick a bad site. Don't get affiliate programs that don't work properly. Please, please use Google, use YouTube, use any other program where you can find information about sites if you're going for a site affiliate. I hope you have found something interesting within my video. If you have, then please press the like button below. This helps me with Google. Also up the top there's a bell. Next to the bell, if you press it, there's a little thing that says all. Click on that and you will get informed when I put the next video online. And underneath my videos you will find affiliate links. If you decide you are interested in any of them, click on the link and sign up to whatever you're wanting. I will get a small commission when you join or purchase. So once more, all the best in your affiliate marketing and you're blogging, please come back, please subscribe, please use the bell and all. And this is Ian Jackson saying thank you for being here and watching. Hope you do come back again. Please subscribe and cheerio